So today we're going to show a quick, easy fix for if you get some checking in your tabletop. Just some normal splits and cracks that can happen with the moisture in the air as the wood adjusts to its new environment. What we use is a tinted caulk. Basically a big toothpaste tube that you're going to squeeze that stuff right into the crack there and it'll fill, and that stuff has a certain flexibility to it, so it'll last you a real long time in there. So you get the tube and you're going to cut the top to size, cut it on an angle so it's easy to squeeze the caulk out there. So go ahead and cut that.
Make sure to cut a little bit just on the point to not make a big hole.
Yep. And you want to have a damp rag with you. So you're going to squeeze this stuff into the crack. You want to get it down in as far as you can. So we don't want to worry about the color being an exact match because it kind of matches up with the style of other stuff that's already been filled on the tabletop. Use your finger, kind of make sure it gets all the way in the crack. If you have to squeeze out more, you do that. You just want to make sure you fill it all the way in best you can. And then you take the damp rag, wipe off all the excess, make sure you wipe it all off there. The caulk dries darker than when you first put it in there, and you'll be good to go.